Tukujukizano Chagina Damasu with the biggest 102 jams of the year 2016, live on Galaxy FM 100.2 Zina with Mr. Mosh in the building, ready to count down the biggest and the flyest and the hottest and the wickedest jams. So wimbo wadowa zinisa mkumbaga ku birthday parties mu club ku masomero unaona ndatwa onakulwalero nga tuchikwasaganya mpola mpola. And of course, remember, there's a 2-year street party Waliko Club Amnesia tonight with your biggest Club Amnesia DJs and Galaxy FM presenters live and direct. So, you're going to check out your muscle or Naku or Wadero. Okay, just a recap of number 10 to about any work coming in from Rihanna and Drake. Number 9, we had Kadru coming in from Caesar Bafana. And of course, number 8, we had Farmer the remix coming in from Waiki Benda and Shiba. Number 7, to about any Brack of Yeba coming in from Conscience. And straight away, we still rocking you. We still telling, we still doing and vibing and doing everything nice and sweet. Kakati ngana bawa akaimba akadako edachike na nyini kaimba na call remix ya ebade hit ya kabinyo kuno mwaka original yakolewa emyaka esatu emabega with Chosen Blood ya jikola ebisere ebyo. And of course mama na scholarship nagende ebweru okusoma. When he went okusoma ebweru na koma nga ise banga Shiba na mugamba, you know what, Conscience oba Chosen, let us do a remix. When they did a remix, that song became a problem. Bimutugo bachawa nga kagenda ku Facebook wadawa wakola chi no dawa no birawa no dawa. Ladies and gentlemen, tugenda ku wadawa number 6 Chosen Blood featuring Shiba. This is Galaxy FM.